We were obviously disappointed by the fact that the commission declined to hear the experts at this time that we offered. We think that anyone who will hear that testimony, and frankly, looking at the affidavits, which we're getting copied and should be here soon, but that anyone reading that will see that we have the better of the argument as to whether or not these offenses exist under the law of war, or whether the one that does exist, which is aiding the enemy, could possibly be charged against Mr. Hicks.
It's somewhat hard to cover continuing process when decisions that critical are made.
Initially, we asked for a military, active duty military officer to be an international humanitarian law expert from the Army's Judge Advocate School. We got him appointed. Obviously, the case took a little bit longer. He rotated to a different command. At that point, we asked for another one. Again, the Appointing Authority Office designated Mike Schmidt. The necessity of having an international humanitarian law of war expert was obvious, and they assigned that person. And we had good access to the person and his time to assist us in the preparation. Obviously, now when you get into the actual motion hearing, the continuation of that consultation is him being there with you, hearing the government's arguments, being able to assist you, because a consultant, you can actually get into the theory of your case because he's part of the team and there's confidentiality.
And so the concern now is that the debate over these complex issues is going to take place in a kind of legal and intellectual vacuum. I think that most Americans want the defendants here to be provided a full and fair hearing. I think what we saw today reinforces our concern that they're not being provided that kind of hearing.